Have you ever wondered why the universe, the very thing that surrounds us every day, keeps expanding? And what that means for the future of humanity? Don't go anywhere, because the answer might just surprise you. Today, we're diving into the mystery of the universe's expansion, a phenomenon that has challenged scientists for centuries. This isn't just a story about distant stars. It could reveal secrets about the future of humanity itself. Everything started from an incredibly small, hot, and dense point, so extreme that it's beyond imagination. Then, boom! The Big Bang occurred, and the universe began to expand. Imagine you're blowing up a balloon. At first, the balloon is just a small, compact piece of rubber, but as you blow air into it, the balloon starts to expand in all directions. That's exactly what happened to the universe after the Big Bang. Initially, the universe was extremely small, blazing hot, and densely packed. Then, a massive explosion occurred, causing not only matter, but also space and time to expand, just like the surface of an inflating balloon. Here's the fascinating part. Space didn't expand into something. It expanded from within itself. The more you blow up the balloon, the larger it becomes, and the points on its surface move farther apart. Similarly, galaxies in the universe are moving away from each other over time. The Doppler effect and redshift are crucial pieces of evidence showing that galaxies in the universe are moving away from us. When a light source moves away, its wavelength is stretched, causing it to shift toward the red side of the spectrum. This is similar to how the sound of an ambulance siren becomes lower pitched as the vehicle moves away. But instead of sound, it's light. When astronomers observe light from distant galaxies, they see its wavelength being stretched, shifting toward the red end of the spectrum. This indicates that these galaxies are moving away from us. This phenomenon is one of the clearest pieces of evidence that the universe is expanding. Scientists have discovered that our universe is not only expanding, but its rate of expansion is also accelerating over time. The cause of this phenomenon comes from an invisible force they call dark energy. This mysterious energy makes up about 68% of the entire universe and remains one of the greatest enigmas in modern physics. Imagine having a balloon, but this time you don't need to blow it up. The balloon inflates on its own, forever, and at an ever-increasing speed. That's exactly what's happening with our universe. The space between galaxies is constantly expanding, and the rate of expansion is accelerating. This means that distant galaxies are moving further away from us at an increasing speed, even though no force is pushing them. As a result, many galaxies are so far away that their light will never reach Earth because the space between us and those galaxies is expanding too quickly. Dark energy is one of the most perplexing topics in physics. As to this day, we still don't fully understand what it is. We only know that it is shaping the fate of the entire universe. Astronomer Edwin Hubble was the first to discover the phenomenon of the expanding universe in 1929. He observed that most distant galaxies had their light shifted toward the red end of the spectrum, and more notably, the farther the galaxy, the faster it was moving away. Human perception of our place in the universe has completely changed since we realized that Earth is not the center of everything. In the past, people believed that everything revolved around Earth, but now we know that Earth is just a tiny speck in the vast, infinite universe. With the continuous expansion of the universe, the distances between galaxies are growing larger, emphasizing one undeniable truth: we are far smaller than we ever imagined. The expansion of the universe not only brings new awareness of humanity's position, but also opens up tremendous opportunities to search for life beyond Earth. As the universe expands, the space for life also increases. New stars are formed, new planetary systems emerge, and this means there could be more planets with environments suitable for life. This explains why agencies like NASA and companies like SpaceX are increasingly investing in space exploration missions. For example, NASA's Artemis program is not only aimed at returning humans to the moon, but also serves as a stepping stone for deeper explorations of Mars, a place where signs of microbial life may be found, either in the past or even in the present. SpaceX, with its mission to turn humanity into a multi-planetary species, is making the dream of settling on Mars more achievable than ever before. By developing reusable spacecraft, SpaceX is not only reducing costs, but also accelerating the process of space exploration. All these efforts reflect a shift in human consciousness. Instead of only focusing on our own planet, we have begun to look outward, searching for answers about life in the universe. The expansion of the universe may make humanity feel small, but at the same time, it reminds us of our immense potential to explore new worlds. When it comes to the fate of the universe, scientists often refer to three main scenarios, each of which could lead to a different ending for the cosmos. The first is the Big Freeze, where the universe continues to expand forever. Stars will eventually run out of fuel, fade away, and the universe will become a cold, dark, and lifeless void. The second is the Big Crunch, where gravity reverses the expansion, pulling galaxies, stars, and planets back into a single central point, resulting in the collapse of the universe. Finally, there is the Big Rip, where dark energy becomes so powerful that it tears apart not only galaxies, but also planets, stars, and even atomic particles. With these three dramatic scenarios, one big question arises. Which of these fates, if any, could humanity survive? Space science is not just about exploring distant stars. It also drives the development of many modern technologies that we use every day. Inventions like GPS, communication satellites, and even AI technology all have their roots in space exploration efforts. The GPS navigation system we rely on for daily travel would not function without satellites orbiting the Earth, a direct result of space missions. Furthermore, space travel is gradually becoming a reality, thanks to companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin. Their goals go beyond sending humans to the Moon or Mars. They aim to open the door to commercial space tourism. Who knows? In the future, our descendants may be able to settle on another planet, turning the dream of living among the stars into reality. Space technology not only expands human understanding of the universe, but also transforms the way we live on Earth. We are living in an ever-expanding universe, much like the ever-growing mind and awareness of humanity. The universe will continue to expand forever. But the real question is, how far will humanity go? Will we conquer the distant stars, or will we be left behind? If you find this topic fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.